Let me show you something strange. If I suddenly ask you to speak for 1 minute, most people freeze. But if I ask you to describe your favorite food, suddenly words start coming easily. Why? Because your mind becomes comfortable when it has something to describe. And today I will show you a simple trick that uses this idea. The trick is called describe what you see. Whenever you feel stuck while speaking, don't try to invent something smart. Just describe something simple around you. For example, you are in college, you can say today our classes was interesting, we discussed a new topic and the teacher showed a simple example. You are not forcing big ideas, you are simply describing what's happening. And surprisingly, conversation starts flowing. Speaking becomes difficult when we try to sound impressive, but communication is not about sounding impressive. It's about sharing simple observations. When you describe something real, your college, a movie, a place, a situation, your brain already has the information. So speaking becomes natural. Imagine you meet a new classmate. Instead of thinking what should I say, just describe something around you. For example, this campus is really big. I got lost on my first day. Immediately the other person can reply, same here, even I was confused. Just like that, a conversation starts. Today try this exercise. Pick any object near you, maybe your phone, your bag or your classroom. Now try describing it for 30 seconds. Simple sentences, no pressure. You will notice something interesting. Words start coming automatically. Speaking without fear is not about finding perfect words. It's about starting with simple descriptions. Once you start talking, your ideas naturally grow. So today remember this trick. If you don't know what to say, just describe what you see. It's simple but powerful. Tomorrow in day 4, we will talk about something very useful. How to start a conversation with someone new without feeling awkward. See you in day 4.